Introducing Centinela Student Accommodation in Los Angeles, a vibrant starting point for your exciting journey. This residence offers a variety of shared apartments, popular for its spacious rooms and fantastic amenities. Each room features plush beds accompanied by a side table and a large window offering scenic views of the beautiful LA skies. It also provides an array of facilities, including in-unit laundry for your daily chores, a lounge area to spend quality time with friends, a rooftop deck for enjoying breathtaking sunsets, and a courtyard for leisurely walks while listening to your favorite music on the free high-speed Wi-Fi. Located within a short distance of Antioch University and the University of California, Centinela is infused with youthful energy. Unwind after classes at popular bars like 90 West Lounge or stock up on groceries at Gelson's Marina del Rey. Engage in meaningful conversations over coffee at Centinela Cafe and enjoy dinner at Urban Plates. Conveniently travel to distant places or reach your destinations faster by taking a bus from Centinela, Braddock. Experience the gorgeous life of Los Angeles by booking your stay at Centinela Student Accommodation through amberstudent.com.